If you want to stay up to date with what's happening over here at D&D Sports, check us out on all our different social media. Hey D&D Sports fans, welcome back to another week of what's new in the RC shop. And we have at least 2 orders this week. I'm not sure if the third one will come in time. It's scheduled for Friday, but you guys know how that goes. So let's start with this big box. Looks like it's got a little bit of damage here from the shipping. I hope everything's okay in the box. We'll have to check that out when we get to the bottom of it, though. Looks like it's loaded with more packaging peanuts. That looks like there's a TRX-4 Sport right on top. Bags of parts. Body. Let's pull it all out and put it on the table. Alright guys, so here it is, pretty small order. What I'm realizing is everything that's sitting in front of the trucks is all back ordered products. So I had ordered them, they were out of stock. The TRX-4 Sport is also a back order. They now have it back in stock, so that is a tan sport. I did get another Raptor, and in front of the Raptor is a X-Max light bar. Beside it, you got the Orange Max body. The 8911, so I do know, I checked yesterday, the 8911, the clear body for the Max, are back ordered until sometime in March. So unfortunately, if you guys were looking to grab one of those, you know, we are sold out. Might be another dealer that has them, but if you're looking to buy it from us, it's not going to be till March. All right, so other parts, Max fan. That's a new one for us. 2 million weight fluid. So that's diff fluid. If you really need to tighten up that diff. 8920, that's another Max part. So these are all wide Max kits. So the 8995 R and A. R is the red, A is the white. And then these are also 86, so those would be E-Revos. But other than that, guys, that is it. Hopefully the order that comes in tomorrow is a little bit bigger. It's Thursday, guys, and we got 2 orders in. We'll start with this one here. As you can see right there, that's exactly what it is. A yellow in color Land Rover. We sold one earlier this week, so we got another one in. And we got this box here. It's coming in at the whole whopping 22 pounds. And I did take all the paper out of the top of it, but as you can see, looks like it's another 20-some pounds worth of parts. So let's pull everything out so you guys can check it all out. Here is the yellow Land Rover, and if you notice, this box is specific just for the yellow, not like the red and the silver. They kind of share a box. This one is specifically to the yellow. If you notice up there, the red strip down the side, battery and charger is not included. This side here just shows you a little bit more about the details of it, and again shows you just the yellow version of the truck. And the back side has just a side profile of it. All right, let's take that off the table and look at all these parts we got. Alright guys, so this was 2 of the bags. I still got 3 more sitting down here. We'll go over in a minute, but let's look at what we got here. We got some X-Max parts here. X-Max drive shaft. 8018, those are the narrow inner fenders for a TRX-4. All you Slash guys, 5830. This is your LCG chassis. So if you have a regular Slash and it doesn't have an LCG chassis, this is it right here. You can buy the whole kit, swap everything out. Back in the back there, we got 2 green Max bodies. And right beside it, the 8911, we got a clear Max body. Now the 8914s are the ones that are gonna be back ordered till March. So the 8914 are the heavy duty clear Max bodies. You're gonna have to wait till March to get your hands on those. 8913, so this is the supports for inside the Max body. You got some more colored Max parts here. We got some colored E-Revo parts. Ford Bronco, if you got one of those, need a tire for on the back of your Ford Bronco. They all had them, so that's the kit for it. in the back there, we got 3 more sets of the Trax, the 8877. Now, 2 of those are sold, so I'm going to have 1 available, and they're sold out until middle of March. So if you want them, I got 1 available. It's going to be posted. Today's Thursday. It's going to be posted tonight. Got some Rustler tires, green and orange. Those are restocks, 8915. So this is, again, for the inside of your Max. That is the clipless body system. That's what that is. 8971. So these are your rims for Max. All right, guys. These have been popular ever since I released that video last week of the new colored A-arms for your 2-wheel drive Rustlers, 2-wheel drive Slash, 2-wheel drive Stampedes. Okay, that was a popular video, and we've been selling, as you can see, there's green there, set of orange back there. We've been selling quite a bit of them. All right, let me clear the table, and I'll bring up those other 3 bags. Okay, so here's the rest of the 3 bags across the back. 8215, you guys see those in every video. And then we have Max parts, 7731, 29, 52, 49, and 7736. Beside that are some more Max parts. Then I think the rest are all just TRX-4 stuff and some other mixed in replacement parts. TRX-4 Sport, TRX-4 Sport. This can be used in just about all the trucks for run lighting. I want to show you the difference here. 7714, or I'm sorry, 7122 and 7122G. And the G actually has like a, you can see like a polycarbon look to it, where the 7722 is just a plain old straight black. Across here we have the 6728s, so that's for your Rustler. And I kind of laid it side by side with the 8917, so that would be for your Max. Another X-Max part there, 7733. 8118, spare tire for TRX-4. 8138, that would be push bar for TRX-4. Ford tailgate for the Bronco. Bead locks, 8169. We only had to reorder that so far. Haven't been a real popular seller, but those are for your TRX-4. And look at them little tiny A-arms, 7031. Those are for like a 1/16 scale Slash. We got some diff lube. It's a number, 50K. So there's 50K diff lube. Coming up front here, some Ford Bigfoot 3656. So that's for the Ford Bigfoot body. All right, guys, I am hoping the next order will get in. So let's make the keyword for this week Bigfoot. We'll just, we got some Bigfoot parts in this week. You got that bumper there. Let's make the keyword for this week's video Bigfoot. All right, so I don't know if we'll have an order tomorrow or not, but let's wait and see. Okay, guys, it's Friday afternoon, and it's about 3 o'clock, and the order did arrive, so I will be able to get this in on time. Kind of pop the tape here. No paper in there, so let's just pull out all the packaging material. This is a new one for us, Slash 4x4 Ultimate. Looks like we got some parts, maybe another bag of parts. Let's pull it all out and check it out. I'm interested in seeing what is the outside of that box. Well, here's everything that was in the order. Kind of a small order, but I wanted to make sure I had the Ultimate and these new sledgehammer tires in the store for the weekend, so I asked Traxxas to just go ahead and ship it. So in here is the orange and blue Ultimate Slash. These are the new 8973 sledgehammer tires. Those are for your Max. I don't know if you can see the tread pattern there. These were also new. We had some other colors here before, but the orange and red are now available. For an X-Max, a couple other small parts, like this is a new one. This is a ring gear for a TRX-4. These are new, 8273, and those are going to be the hollow balls, 8273. So that is for your TRX-4 also, and they're aluminum, so they will not rust. And here is another 8288. That's a little bit different. That's a ring gear overdrive or underdrive, and this would be for the regular. Okay, so that's all we got for this week. Check out that Ultimate box here before we go for the week. All right, guys, let's just take a quick look at the Slash 4x4 Ultimate. So this is the top of the line Slash that you can buy. Comes with the remote, all the electronics. The only thing it does not come with, if you're familiar with my videos, got the red stripe down the side, it does not include the battery or charger. And this is a VXL edition, so it is a 60-mile-an-hour truck with the right batteries and the right gearing. All right, retail cost on this in our store, $499.95. And you ask yourself, why is it so expensive? Well, we'll get into that here in a second. But on this side of the box, it shows you the gearing. So on a 35-mile-an-hour, on a 4.8 7-cell nickel metal hydrate. If you're running this on a nickel metal hydrate, you're going to hit 35. So as you come up through here, you look into the 2S lipos, and a gearing change, you can hit 40 miles an hour. But all the way up here at the top of the spectrum, on a 3S lipo, a 19-tooth pinion, and a 54-tooth spur gear is where you will hit that 60 miles an hour. The back side of the box shows the green truck, but it also shows here it has the Traxxas Link, the module Traxxas Link system, so you'll be able to connect that to your phone, Bluetooth. Okay, it includes the Millennium VXL 3S system, and it also includes all the aluminum parts for the caster blocks, the steering knuckles, anything like that. This includes it. So that's one of the reasons why the cost is so expensive. You get all those aluminum parts, you get the Bluetooth module so you can connect that to your phone. It's another reason. All right, on this side of the box, it's titled Pro Level Performance. And again, it shows you everything that you do get with the Ultimate package. So you got the aluminum C-hubs and the steering blocks. So these would actually be two separate parts. If you were to buy those in the store, you would buy them separately. The bearing housings for the back. Okay, it also includes GTR shocks, aluminum wheel nuts, and heavy-duty drive shafts. So Traxxas makes two different types of drive shafts. You have the regular duty, and then you also have the heavy duty, also referred to sometimes as cold weather. And another one that this actually has is the LCG, the low center of gravity chassis. So with this model, they're dropping that chassis down. Now, if you were to buy an LCG chassis from me, it actually comes in blue, but this on this model is actually dyed gray, dark gray, or black. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching this week's video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Turn that bell on so you get notified anytime we release new videos. And just about everything you see here on this weekly What's New in the RC Shop is available either at our website at www.ddgamezone.com or on our eBay store. You can search that by finding me at DDCards1. That's the number 1. DDCARDS, the number 1, and you will find we got about 850 items listed right now for sale. So if your local hobby shop don't have it, ask them to get it. If they can't get it, hit me up. I will definitely be able to get it for you. If it's Traxxas related and if it's still in production, we can get it for you.